भी दीवाने तेरे होने लगे हैं.
It's snowing festivals in Kashmir. The Indian Army inaugurated the Gulmarg Winter Festival in the valley. The 3-day-long event was held to promote tourism, providing residents a chance to showcase their skills.
Gulmarg offers everything a tourist looks for, particularly in winters when the landscape is completely covered with snow. In fact, this time Indian Army added few elements like snow sports, Qawwali, Kashmiri cuisine and also Bollywood celebrities. Yes, Bollywood celebrities also attended this festival in Gulmarg, which is known as Snow Festival Gulmarg.
The event was inaugurated by GOC 19 Division Major General Virender Vatt, followed by musical performances, appearances by Bollywood celebrities and many tourist activities. Among the major tourist attractions was this Igloo Cafe, the biggest cafe of its kind in South Asia.
This is basically a new concept for India. However, it has been tested in Finland, Switzerland and all other foreign countries. For India, it's a new concept, but it has been tested successfully in other countries other than India, and is Asia's largest cave so far. Something dramatic and unique in Gulmarg. People come here to see this igloo, and at the same time they enjoy our traditional kahwa, traditional cuisine, Kashmiri cuisine. They also try it for a new experience.
Snow-clad Gulmarg bore a colourful look as tourists thronged the valley for a skiing experience.
As Gulmarg is buzzed with tourists, so here I am joined by one of the tourists from Gorakhpur, Piyush. Thank you so much for talking to the public. So how's your experience being in Gulmarg?
My experience has been really amazing. Like, I have done skiing. I'm here from a couple of days, and yeah, it's an out-of-the-world experience.
The Indian Army also laid the foundation for what will be the highest tricolour installed in Kashmir's Gulmarg.
Today, the foundation stone of the highest tricolour was laid by GOC 19 Div Major General Virender Vatt here in Gulmarg. If I talk about the flag, its specification, let me ask my VJ for those to tell you the technical specifications, to show you the technical specifications of this flag. This flag is going to be some 100 feet high. The material that has been used in the flag is of mild steel. Similarly, the pole shape is there, the construction material is there, and the material for the treatment is there, flag mounting. This board talks about the entire specification of this very flag. In fact, the estimated cost of the project is coming somewhere around 18 lakhs.
The Army also displayed the indigenously developed solar hand grenade. The Army has placed an order for 1 million solar grenades, which will be delivered by the solar firm over a span of 2 years.
This is the solar grenade that is being introduced in the Indian Army. The Indian Army is in collaboration with the solar firm who is going to supply 1 million such kind of grenades to them in the next 2 years.
The good thing about this grenade is that the delay timing is of exact 4 seconds. This has got an attack and a defensive mode, a fragmentation mode and a blast mode. And this modern grenade, the production is going to be started in this month by Solar to be delivered from next month onwards to the Indian Army.
The Gulmarg Winter Festival was a star-lit affair with Bollywood actress Vidya Balan and actor Arbaz Khan paying their gratitude to the forces and performing for the audience.
Because it has been, I was invited here by the Indian Army, and I think it's so wonderful that we feel secure wherever we are in different parts of the country because of our armed forces. And when I got an opportunity to say thank you to them by being present here, I took up the opportunity. And this is a big thank you to every, every Indian soldier across our country. Thank you very much.
The festival was a huge success thanks to the residents as well as the forces who were on patrol 24/7. Bureau Report, Republic TV.